Back with another video. What's great, everybody? It's your boy Eddie One Take. On this channel, I'm RTX Eddie. Welcome to my tech journey. If you don't know how to do my videos, I suggest you watch the video before this to get a better understanding. But I'm about to get right into the product. I went a little bit over budget to build this PC, but I kind of needed to go over budget because if I don't have a computer or a PC, I can't work and make any money at all. So I'm a little bit over budget when it comes to equipment right now. If you want to support the channel, I will reciprocate it with massive love, definitely shouting you out. You know, I got a special place in my heart for people that support. Let's dive into it. We got the NZXT Kraken 240. Now, when I'm reviewing these products, I don't know everything about tech. This is my first PC build, so there's a lot that I have to learn. I'm very interested in all of this because I know a lot about PCs and computers on the software side, but this is more on the hardware side to get a better performing process on the software side. The better my computer is, the better I can run my apps and things like that. This was in the cart. Shout out to Sizzle again. I might shout him out in every video because I'm so grateful. But shout out to Sizzle again, and I'm grateful. I gotta tell y'all, man. I gotta talk. I know I say I'm gonna get right into the reviews, but I gotta tell y'all, man. I'm grateful for Sizzle because he saved me a lot of time and money. I told him exactly what I wanted, took his time, put the cart together for me, sent it over to me. The rest was left up to me. So I'm grateful for all of this. Now, Kraken 240 NZT is the brand, same brand as the tower housing case. And this is the Kraken 240. 240, I learned, is for 240 millimeters. So this is a high performance 240 millimeter liquid cooler with PC monitor. So this cools your PC, liquid cooling. I'm not sure how they do the liquid part, guys. It comes with a monitor on it. Now you can put stuff on the monitor, so that's really cool. Yeah. A lot of these products I haven't unboxed yet. Some of them I have, but I haven't unboxed a lot of them yet because I was waiting until the graphics card came, but I'm just too excited, yo. So forgive me for the lighting for these first couple of videos. My lighting is charging right now. When that charges up, we're gonna have lighting back. But I do content creation at a very high level, hence why another reason why I need the PC. And I know how important lighting is when you're creating content. So let's get right into it. Again. All right, so first thing out the box. And I really should have like opened these products in the way I've been seeing on YouTube, but I'm showing you the way that I got them because I was just so excited, and some things I just couldn't. This is just how I remember I did it, right? I don't want to be like anybody else. So I take this out. This is my first time really taking this out all the way. Take this out. I'm nervous, boy. All right, cool. Take this out. I guess this is the radiator. I don't know, bro. And this, I know this is the monitor, obviously. Screen, LCD screen. And this, I know, goes onto the processor on your motherboard. So that's that right there. Wrap that back up until we start to build the motherboard, which we will do soon. And we will have lighting for that. All right, cool. So let me wrap this up, show you guys the fan, and then move on to the other products. But we got some like mounting plates and our two 240 millimeter fans that are gonna go somewhere in here. And we got some cables because you need the USB cable. I'm not sure about all the cable names. We'll figure that out as we are on this journey. Kraken. I heard Kraken. So Kraken 240. Kraken 240 by NZT. I can't even give you hold on one second. Okay. You know what I'm terrible at? Unpacking things, because I'm so excited when I get it, packing them back the way I got it. All right, cool. So What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't really have too much of a like opinion or a review besides like unboxing. So I guess these are gonna just be a whole bunch of unboxing videos until I start building the PC. But I've never used these things and I've never studied them individually, which is another reason why I'm not just showing you everything at once, because I'm learning as I'm going and I need to understand every part that I'm using to the point where I can teach somebody else, right? Because all of these skills are transferable. But this is the Kraken 240mm by NZXT liquid cooler fan for your computer. And yeah, that's that video. I don't got too much talking to do at the end of the video. I did a lot of talking during the video, so let's go to the next product. Shout out to Kraken, shout out to NZT. And hopefully, can we get a sponsor? Like, I'm starting out, but, you know, watch out.